Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the next lecture of 12th class NCERT Mathematics. In this video lecture, I'll discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10th. So let's start the question. The question said, give an example of a relation which is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, so we need to construct an example which is a relation, and that relation is a symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, so I'll take set A 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, I'll try to make as simple as relation, okay, which is symmetric but not reflexive or not transitive. Okay, so that will not be reflexive and also not transitive. So check. If I will take 1 comma 2, if it is symmetric, then if 1 comma 2 is there, then 2 comma 1 has to be there. Okay, and I will take 1 comma 1 also. Now what is the meaning of reflexive? Reflexive means each element of A related to itself. Okay, but here 1 comma 1 is there, but 2 comma 2 is not there, and 3 comma 3 is not there, so R is not reflexive. Clearly R is not reflexive. Clearly R is not reflexive. And why so? Because as 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R, and 3 comma 3 does not belongs to R. Also R is not transitive. Why so? Observe that 2 comma 1 belongs to R, 1 comma 2 also belongs to R. Okay, if 2 comma 1 is there, 1 comma 2 is there, then we need to check is 2 comma 2 is there, but we observe but 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R, so R is not transitive. As this is the reason for both. And why we call it a symmetric? It is symmetric because for all A comma B, ordered pair A comma B belongs to R, B comma A also belongs to R, also belongs to R. Okay, that's why R is symmetric, implies R is symmetric. Okay, now next question, next part of this question is they ask transitive. The relation is transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Again I will take 1 comma 2 comma 3. Wait, what I will take? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so relation R I will construct. It will be transitive but not reflexive or not symmetric. So I will take 1 comma 2. Okay, 1 comma 2 I will take. If 1 comma 2 is there, two relation I will take here. 1 comma 2 is I'll take. Okay, this one I'll make one more relation also, but R1 is there and one more relation. Actually we can make many relations which follow this property, transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. So R2 will be 1 comma 1 is there, and 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there. Okay, 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there, 2 comma 2 is also there. Okay, okay, and this see, observe it, it is a it is not reflexive, but it is transitive up to yet. But if I am adding here 2 comma 3, okay, if I am adding here 2 comma 3, then it will be, if I am adding here 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 3 is there, then 1 comma 3 has to be here. Okay, let's put it here 1 comma 3 also. Okay, now check, 1 comma 1 is there, but 2 comma 2 is there, but 3 comma 3 is not there, so it is not reflexive. Okay, is it symmetric? 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there. Okay, 2 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 2 is not, it is not symmetric. Let's check it is transitive or not. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Now 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there, 1 comma 1 is there, yeah, it is there. 2 comma 1 is there, 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 2 is there, yeah, 2 comma 2 is there. 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3 is there, yeah. And 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is there, yeah, it is there. Any other thing? No. So it means that, and here also you can observe this relation. Here I make two relation, and I will make one more relation also. Okay, many relation actually we can make. So but they give on, but they ask only one example, so that's why I give. You can take that one or that one, it's your choice. Okay, so here observe, by word situation R1 is a transitive. By word situation R1 is transitive. Okay, but see, it is not reflexive and nor symmetric. Why so? Because 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is not there, that's why it is not symmetric. And also one more thing you can observe, that none of the element of A related to itself in the R1. So neither reflexive nor symmetric. Neither reflexive nor symmetric. Okay, done. Next is, here also you can observe same thing, transitive by definition, not by word situation, by definition, by usual definition. Okay, by usual definition, and neither reflexive as 3 comma 3 does not belongs to R, nor symmetric, nor symmetric as 3 comma 2 does not belongs to R2. Here you can assume R2. Okay, R1. Hence, okay, now next one I'll move. That one is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Okay, let us, I will make A equals to same set 1, 2 and 3. We need to construct a relation which is reflexive, so every element related to itself we need to write. Okay, 3 comma 3, it is reflexive. Now observe, observe 2 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 2 is also there. Okay, now can we check another thing also? Yeah, 1 comma 2 is there, and 2 comma 1 is also there. Observe 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, these all things imply reflexiveness. 2 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 2 is there, okay, 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there, this is also symmetric, okay, as everyone satisfies symmetric property. But observe that, I'll change the color, but observe that for transitive, what we have, for transitive how many things are? See here, 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 3 belongs to R, but 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R, so implies R is not transitive, in my opinion, okay. You can make it may possible, your example may be different, but concept has to be same, okay. Now next one, next is this one, fourth one, yeah, fourth one is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric, okay. A is 1, 2 and 3, okay, set A is 1, 2, 3, it has to be reflexive, okay. That is very simple, we can take, see, it has to be reflexive, so 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 has to be here. And observe, if I will choose 1 comma 2 only, okay, see, because of these things it is reflexive, okay. And 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 is there, so 1 comma 2 is there, yeah, it is there. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is there, yeah, it is there. 3 comma 3 and everything, they all satisfy the transitive property. But observe that 1 comma 2 under word situation it is transitive, we can say, okay. So hence, but observe one thing we need to observe again, but 1 comma 2 belongs to R, observe 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R, implies that R is not symmetric, R is not symmetric, but R is reflexive plus transitive, okay. Now next one, the last one is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. So again I will take set A same, 1 comma 2 comma 3, okay, and relation R, they said it is not reflexive, okay. See, if I will take 2 comma 3, then 3 comma 2 has to be here, okay. If 2 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 2 has to be here, okay. And it has to be transitive, so 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 has to be here or not. Now clearly R is symmetric plus transitive but not reflexive on A as 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Okay, so I hope you understand all these questions. It may possible your example may be different. Okay, so not a problem. So if you have any doubt in any part, you can do comments and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.